Today we have new Hart Tools. Big shout out to my man Josh. He's been helping a lot on the channel. He's been pointing this. Sometimes I got time to make these videos. Sometimes I don't. I've been really busy. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. Yep. So here's the new tools, guys. So new tools, you got the Hart. You know, Hart is made by, or not made by, but you know, sister companies to Ryobi and Milwaukee. So owned by TTI. All those three companies are owned by the same company, basically. So you got brushless 20 volt brushless 4.5 angle grinder. So that's a new coming soon. They do have a chainsaw. I didn't know they had a chainsaw, a 12-inch chainsaw. There's a new Ratchet coming, guys. Hopefully, if I can get some pictures. Here's the picture of the Ratchet. Looks pretty good. Can't get this out. Oh, I can't get that out. But as you guys see there, pretty nice. Alright, let's go back. Let's look at this angle grinder too. Come on, well, how can I put this back? Yeah, it doesn't let me. Alright, so we got some pictures here. Brushless. Looks really nice. And I like the fact that the battery is in an angle. It gives you a little bit more, you know, more space here, so you guys could do something like, you know, tilt it or something. But that's the way it looks. Alright, let's go down here, see what else is new. Alright, so they got a new kit. Looks like a 3-tool combo kit. How can I get this thing out? What's the deal with this thing? Oh my god. There it is. Finally. Alright, let's go back. So they do have a 3-tool combo kit. That's the button right there. So it says blades now. I don't think these are brushless. It's just a combo kit that they have. Let's see what else is new. Alright, they got a brad nailer, guys. Nice. Look at this. A brad nailer. Looks really nice. So you guys see the battery is in an angle. Maybe give you some little leverage there. So if you guys want an expensive nailer and your platform doesn't have it, you can probably go with this route. Let's see here. We got a glue gun. I was going to say a caulking gun, but it's a glue gun. 20 volts, glue gun battery and charger not included. Nice. Let's see what else they have. They got a edge trimmer. They got an edger. Let's see what else. Alright, they got a crown stapler kit. So this is a kit itself. I wish I could, you know, bring this up, but I can't. It doesn't let me see. Yeah, this doesn't bother. So that's the way it looks. 20 volt 3/8 stapler. Alright, let's go back. See what else is new. We got a jigsaw. It is a brushless orbital jigsaw. So we got the orbital action here. We got, it seems like 4 speeds or 4 modes here. Let's see what else we got. A lock here on the top, maybe another lock on the top there. This looks pretty nice, actually. Man, I wish they had these tools back in the day. Alright, so we got hand vacuum 4488. It's a nice little vacuum here. I don't know, I never used vacuums like this before. I'm planning to get a bigger vac, you know, the bigger ones with the hose. I don't know how these are with the, you know, how powerful these things are. Let's see here. Here's a Ratchet. Is that the same one? Maybe this is the 3/8 and the other. Yeah, well, looks like the same. Anyways, we got a brushless hammer drill. So this is the hammer drill, and it is a brushless unit. So there you go. It's a really nice. Looks really nice, actually. I really like the colors. You know, the white or the gray, black, and blue. That's nice. Alright, so there's that. And it is a hammer drill, so it's a hammer drill, and it comes with the handle. It seems it's a short handle, but you know, it's mainly for the DIY. It's not really for professional use, but I guess you could use it professionally. You got a stick vacuum here, 109. That's the way it looks. Looks like you can remove the attachments or put a different attachment. Yeah, you could use just the top part, I guess. And you got a nice little stand there. Nice. So all these tools are really nice, actually, for the home use. You got a reciprocating saw. It's a brushless unit. A brushless tool. Looks like you got a toolless blade change here. Maybe an angle. I don't think this shoe is adjustable, but it looks like it's you can angle it as you cut. Pretty much a standard. All right. So those are the pictures there. Let's go back. All right, we got 40-watt soldering iron. So that's it right there. I'm not really into soldering. I might just pick up one because not this one, but I'll pick up a cheaper one because I need to solder some stuff. But look at this. They got a wet and dry vacuum. See, this is something I want to get, something like this. But I'm not into the Hart platform, so. But this is actually pretty nice. If it could have enough power to suck, basically. Clean filter. So I got the tab there. It looks like it's real small, so nice and compact. Maybe yeah, it's 1 gallon. So what is this? A brad nailer. So they got a brad nailer, 129, up to 2 inches. Nice. All right, let's see what else is here. They got a power sprayer kit. Nice. That's the side view. All right, let's go back. See what else they got. A cordless stick vacuum with brushless motor technology. So this is another one they have. They got I'm not gonna go over all these because it'll take forever. Gallon compressor kit. So they got a nice. Oh, I want to look at this one. So they got a compressor now. Nice. It says 2 gallons, 120 psi. Got some nice gauges there. Maybe a little harder to read, but it's actually pretty nice. I like the gray and the black. You got an on and off button there. You got the axis there. You got no pictures on the other side. Just one picture, I guess. So you got a 3 amp fast charger. You got a brushless circular circ saw. This is 7 1/4. You got a folding project light. What else? They got a heated jacket. Nice. I didn't know they had this. See, they got a whole bunch of tools we didn't know they had. They got a 2 gallon wet and dry vacuum. See, I want to get something like this. Maybe a 2 gallon wet and dry vacuum. They got what else? They got a polisher. A multi-port charger. I'm going to see if they have any more new tools here. Online only. Brushless impact driver. Let's see here. They got a lawnmower, 13-inch. They got a backpack sprayer. It's a 4-gallon chemical sprayer, 144. That's not bad. Alright, let's see what else they got. This is the 8-inch pruning saw kit. You know what, guys? I seen this for Ryobi, but I saw this in just one store. And this is a fairly new item for Ryobi. I don't know if they already had this for Hart, or they got another camo jacket here. Roll back. Let's see what else. See, they got a whole bunch of tools here. You guys gotta. If you guys are a DIY, just home use, this is a great platform. You can find a Walmart in pretty much a power source inverter. So this is an inverter. You can plug anything in here. I wonder how many watts. It's 150 watts, so it's not too bad. Let's see here. Yeah, that's it. So guys, those are the new tools, and all the tools that pretty much Hart has. I did forget the first pages, so I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to look at this this page. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.